Hello, and welcome back to Quantitative Reasoning Online. We're here on 16C, looking at the questions 1 through 4 of It's About Time. So let's go give these questions a look-see. Okay. A survey asked students about how active they were in their learning. The data for the question. About how many hours do you spend in a typical 7-day week preparing for class? Okay, it's for 7 days. That includes studying, reading, writing, rehearsing, doing homework, or other activities related to your program are in the table. So how many students were surveyed? Okay, well, here's the data. And I certainly want to add up by hand. And let's see, we have a Excel link. We do. I'm a firm believer in doing things, if possible, as much by technology as possible. Okay. However, let's give it a try. If we were to do it by hand, what would we have? It'd be 68, 46, that guy, this guy, and finally this guy. What appears to be 451276. Trying to do it all manually. Now let's see what happens if we do it this way. Hit escape if it locks up on you. Do sum and formula, auto sum, enter. Let's see, 451276, 451276, same numbers. Oh my, went away. So by hand, which took a little bit of time, by Excel, which took very little time, same answer. Let's see, survey of students, same data. Technology today is not my friend. Yes. Problems, but hey, it's not the same data. So we have to open up a new one. So let's see, not the same. So we can't recycle data here. So let's open a new window. Not really sure why it's acting so weird like this. Fine. So to find relative frequency, we're going to need to find the total of students, and then we're going to one by one to get this guy, divide this by this, multiply by 100. So let's do that on here. So let's first find ourselves a sum. Okay, so here's a sum, the total. And let's create a new column called relative frequency. And we'll get this by making a small equation equals what? This divided by that. Again, I'm going to freeze that. And let's go do that. And I'm going to reformat into a percent. And get the same thing. Oh, wasn't formatted right. There we go. Alright. So another kicker is going to be is to recopy that down. There we go. He behaves. Kind of. So first percentage is 1.5. Next one, 39.7. Note, one decimal place, 39.7. Next, 29.3. Next, 18.3. Next, 6.9. And last is 4.2. That's how we did. Got those correct. Let's see. Anything else for this one? Nope, that was all part showing. Oh, he told us 443,726. 443,726. All right, next question. So, survey asked students, and now they want us, looks like, to create a graph. Again, are these numbers different? Yes, they are. These are not the same numbers. Oh, here we go. We're given the numbers. So maybe we can just do it by inspection. The mouses are being weird. Alright, this will work. So let's see, we start real low. So our first one is a really small number, 1.6. For none, so it can't be this one. Okay, the next one jumps up real high, real fast, about 39. So it can't be these two. So let's see. 1 to 5 is about 40. 6 to 10 is about 30. 11 to 20 is about 20. So it's got to be this guy. A is the only one that has a profile that matches. I mean, this guy's backwards. This one and that one's the same, but the backwards. And it looks like this one they put just in order of from low to high. Has to be in order too. Check answer. Check answer. All right. So next one. Click here for your graph data. Survey, again, typical 7-day week. Write a short analysis of the information in the table in the graph. Here's the table. There's the graph. So, looks like a large portion of the students in the survey, almost 40, all right, 40 what? Scale, percent, spends between 1 and 5 hours preparing for their classes. Between you and me, that's not enough. As the number of preparation hours increase, both the percentage and the overall number of students. So as the number of hours of preparation increase, both the percentage and the number of students, okay, as it gets bigger, smaller, 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 declines. Should be a period there. Oh, there's a period. All right, then something, then 5. Something of all students in the survey spends more than 30 hours on their class. All right, more than 30 hours. All right, so 4.2%. Okay, so looking at 5%, so fewer than 5% of all students in the survey spend more than 30 hours. The smallest category is students who spend who spend 0 hours preparing for class. That one works. Alrighty. But debate between 0 hours and 0%. 0 hours. 1.4% of the students spend 0 hours, so it would be 0 hours. All right, and that is the questions. Clear up. Minimize. So with the questions done, go back to them yourself, and then work with Stephanie on the workbook for 16C. Determine the copies that can be uploaded that I can read, and then 16C practice assignment. And I'll see you for 16D sometime in the near future.